Evening, guys. We're live at 5:25, and we're running a 2-winner mini for Spencer's Thall Joben figure, droids figure. I got 10 spots here that I am going to copy and take over to random to find our top 2. Paste our 10 spots in here. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5, as you know. We got a 9. We're in great shape to battle them up. Here we go. Jimmy, round 1. Dustin, 2. Jimmy, 3. And 4. And 5. Jimmy's on a roll. Jimmy in first and second there, round 6. Dustin and Bill take round 7. Jimmy, round 8. And our winners are Jimmy and Bill. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. Tarize. There's our winners, Jimmy Bones and Bill Patton. Taking it. I am done at 5:26. As shown here. There you go, guys. Again, here's the winners. Congratulations. See you next time. Thanks.